Hello folks, we are taking a little journey down on a motel complex that I did at a building inspection on. A day's in. This way gives you an opportunity to see some of what we do, some of the sizes of projects that we do. But yeah, you're kind of going down through here looking at this roofing systems that they have. There's my air handlers. Yeah, we got a little closer to them. We can see they wasn't working very good. Gives you a great idea of just the complexity of what's going on top of these roofs. And it also gives you an idea of the property itself. But you got 3 different roofing systems on that. And then you see our swimming pool. Sadly, swimming pool is still not up and running yet on this particular one. And then at the very end, you'll just see 2 happy campers and with the buyer of the property, a great young man, which I really thoroughly enjoyed working with these investors. We work with people all around the world. And if we can ever be a service to you, give us a call for your building inspection. Galloway Building Services. We specialize in commercial buildings, and we specialize in the big ones, the old ones, and the new ones. Thank you, folks. Have a great day.